Hello everyone, welcome to the Innovation Lab. So I usually don't make this type of videos, but I am doing this to help out a subscriber who's trying to figure out how to add an output enable switch to this server power supply, just the same way I showed it in a previous video. Alright, so if you take a closer look, or maybe you look at this schematic real quick. So the pins of interest is pin 1 and pin 4. So you want to make sure that the enable resistor, here I'm using 37 ohms, is in series with the single pole single throw switch here, and then it goes back to pin number 4, and that is exactly what we have here. So if you take a look here, you will see pin 1, 2, 3, and 4 is where we return, and this is the 37 ohm resistor, and this here is our single pole single throw switch. All right, so let's go ahead and connect the setup. We bring in the input power, we bring in the load, and we see if this works. All right, so we have our load connected and it goes through the digital power monitor. So let's see if it's gonna work. Output enable. Amazing. All right, let's go ahead and test it at a heavier load just to make sure it's going to work. So this load here should be able to give us 100 watts at 12 volts. All right, so we enable the output. Amazing. So let's go ahead and check. So as you guys can see here, we have a load of 104 watts at an output voltage of 12.1 volts. We have an output current of 8.6 amps. This is amazing, guys. All right, my friend, this is exactly how you have to do it. And if you connect everything in this manner, it should work well for you. All right, my friends, I'll see you guys in the next video.